So what we have here is the Libman mop. It's a spin mop, right? So I just recently got introduced to spin mops by my wife. She had one and asked me to mop the floor, and I didn't know what the heck to do with this thing, but I have figured it out. Now, I'm the type of guy who used to use one of those old wool mops with the yellow, wet floor bucket to alert you that the floor is wet. So a big squeeze, full squeeze, or those sponge mops, the cheap sponge mops. But this is the new spin mop, and the spin mop is kind of cool in its own right, and I'll show you how this thing works. So the set comes with a bucket, mop. The bucket is kind of cool. It has, I'm not sure how many gallons, but fill to the line there. If you see that, fill the water so the water doesn't go all the way to the top. And this is kind of where you're draining the mop after you mop the floor, stick the mop in here, and then it squeezes out the excess. Now you're wondering, okay, well, how does that squeeze it? It's got this cool little flip thing here. Flip that, then you go like this, and the mop spins. And what will happen then, now when it's full of water, it's not going to hang out as much because it's going to get heavy and it will fit in there. And then you kind of just pump it like this and just kind of like that. And that will spin the water out of the mop and into the bucket. Really cool how it works. And then you're ready to mop again. So basically it works by, what is that, centrifugal force or some kind of force where it is basically spinning the water out of. It almost works like your washer, the wash machine that cleans the clothes. It spins and all the water, the spin cycle pushes all the water out of the clothes. This is the same basic concept, but very simple. And I really like this clip feature to kind of lock it in place. Now it's locked and you can just kind of mop the floor. Now, the other thing is this thing has handles so you can pick it up, cart it where you need it, and that is really cool as well. As you can see, this thing spins along the spinner, and that is the Libman spin mop. Pretty cool.